down here at the lake. It's nice and calm. It's a beautiful night to go canoeing, except I don't have a canoe. Maybe we should get one. Maybe go right out to that little island right out there, that little one right there. Canoe around that, take the kids out, have a picnic, something like that. When I was a kid, we had an Old Town Canoe Discovery 169. Now I knew I needed something big enough that it's going to be able to fit 2 adults and 3 to 4 kids. I knew that was definitely going to work. We had a red one. They still make them. $1,200, pretty reasonably priced. Then I figured I might look online and see if I couldn't find something a little bit cheaper. So then I jumped onto Craigslist to see if they had anything used for maybe $300 or $400. Everything that came popping up in that price range was generally kind of beat up, well used, 20, 30 years old. But eventually, I did find a used Discovery 169, just like the one I had growing up. Now the 169 stands for 16 feet 9 inches, so about 17 feet long. There it was, like new condition. Downside was, it was almost priced like a new canoe, so I might as well just buy a new one at that point. However, I've always loved wooden boats. I know Pygmy Boats had a wooden canoe kit that I've always wanted to build, so I jumped on the website to take a look to see how much it was going to cost me. There it is. Just under $1,600. So I gave them a call. Unfortunately, they were all out of the canoe kits and weren't going to be producing any new ones anytime soon. So then I had to come up with an alternative. While perusing the website, I noticed the Wherry. I got to thinking about it. I'm probably going to be the only one paddling at any given time. I figured 2 oars is probably going to be better than 1 paddle, so maybe a rowboat is the way to go. So I started to investigate the Wherrys a little bit more. Perusing the web, I found CLC Boats makes the Annapolis Wherry. They make a tandem one, which is a little bit bigger. I figured that'd probably be a good fit. Looked at their kits, thought, shoot, I should jump right on that. But me being me, why would I build someone else's boat when I can design and build my own boat? Plus, I already had a bunch of fiberglass laying around, a couple gallons of resin, and a little bit of leftover marine grade plywood I could probably use somewhere. So I drew up the boat in SolidWorks, laid out all the parts so I can cut them on my CNC machine, and there we have it, the start of the Pushaw Wherry project. Alright, so now that I got the files downloaded onto my thumb drive, bring it out to the machine. We're going to go ahead and get the machine set up. Before we do that, I'll go ahead and show you what I'm using. So right now I'm running the Mach 3 CNC controller. We'll just go in and load the G-code. So I got it under here. So we're going to do first sheet. First thing we're going to do is the drill pattern. Actually, make sure I get the right one. Alright, now see how it goes line by line? So each one of those lines tells it to go to a different spot. So right there it's going to there, now it's going to go down to the ground, and then it's going to go up, and then do another spot, down, up, there, down, and then up. Yeah, so I just wrote the code, and it runs through the program, and then it just knows where to go. And it just goes right along. If you want to know a little bit more about how I designed the boat and what I did to lay out the parts so I could cut them on my CNC machine, or want to know more about the CNC machine itself, just comment down below and I'll put together some more videos on that. What? What? Camera's on.
Dad,
Ouch.
when you're done with the phone, can I use it?
Maybe.
Yes.